Hello friends, I'll tell you about WhatsApp's new text formatting shortcuts that are useful for us, including bulleted lists, numbered lists, and block quotes or more formats. Let's go through how it works. First, open your WhatsApp, then go to any chat. Now I am telling you 8 text formats. Number 1, type -hi and see the text become a bulleted list. Number 2, type $1.hi and see the text become a numbered list. Number 3, type greater than sign plus hi and see the text becomes a block quote. Number 4, if you type backtick hello backtick the text becomes inline code. Number 5, typing star hello star will change the text into bold. Number 6, typing tilde hello tilde will make your message strike through. Number 7, typing underscore hello underscore will show your text as italicized. Number 8, typing 3 times backtick hi 3 times backtick your text changed into a monospace. You can also use mixed text formats like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates.